Hello and welcome to Twist Fashion. So today I want to show you how to make a lovely little fan pillbox hat. So you've got your base, you've moulded that and put your binding on it. So with leftover Sinamay, basically I've got this triangle left with the selvage edge on that side. I'm going to fold over one edge. It's about 1/2 centimetre fold, and then fold that again. So you're left with something like this, which we later on iron to keep in place. Then we're going to make them into those fans. So I'm going to fold almost halfway, all the way down, halfway up to the edge, fold again, halfway, and fold that little bit in. So I've made 3 of those, which you can lay on top of each other and spread out a little bit. First, I'm going to iron these to keep the pleats in place, and then I can attach them to the base with a headband or clip. So I've put all my fan shapes together with alternative colours, ivory, navy, ivory, navy, ivory, and I'm holding them in place with some clips so that I can sew them all together and then place them onto my hat base. Like so. The hat base I've already attached or sewn a hairband onto. If you can see in my other videos how I make the hat base, how I've stiffened it. Yeah, so I'll attach this and then probably add some roses, 3 ivory roses. We'll see when it's finished. Here's the end product. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon.